Good morning, dear students. Wish you all a very happy new year. Let this new year be a healthy and prosperous year for you and your family. Students, we are talking about the chapter Developing Apps. Already we started with the chapter Developing Apps. So, do you remember what is meant by apps? It's application software. See, in computer, we are using many application softwares, such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, MS Paint, CorelDRAW. Many softwares are there, application softwares. Similarly, some application softwares are designed for a mobile phone. They are called as apps. In mobile phone, the application softwares are in shortly called as apps. So in this chapter, we are studying in detail about apps. That is what the chapter is, developing apps. Okay. Well, do you remember what are the three types of apps we studied? Yes, the first one, native apps. We studied about native apps. What is the speciality of this native apps? These native apps, they are designed for a particular operating system. So first, do you know what are the operating systems used in smartphone? That's good. Android, iOS, BlackBerry, Bada, Windows Symbian. Many operating systems are there, right? So native apps. This means there are apps which are designed for a particular operating system. Okay, there may be an app which is designed for Android operating system and which will run only on Android operating systems, not on iPhones, not on iOS, not on Bada. Okay, remaining operating systems it won't run. So the apps are designed only for that particular platform. It do not run on any other platform. Okay, they are called native apps. As the app says, native apps, you can identify that. Okay, so developers have to develop different apps for each operating system, right? That's the main drawback. Okay, they have to spend time, they have to write the coding for each and every operating system separately. That is a drawback on this native app. And in this native app, they can also create their own logo for the app. Okay. Then, what is the second type of app we studied? Do you remember? Yes, the second type of app we studied is web apps. The second type is called web apps. So this is web-based application softwares. Web-based application softwares, they are just the opposite of native apps. What does that mean? Native apps which works only on a particular platform, right? But this web-based apps which will run on any platform. So it is easy to write for the programmers to design the apps. Okay. So which can run on any platform. Okay. So that is a specialty of web-based apps. Then next one, it's called, do you remember? Yes, it is called hybrid app, which is called hybrid. Let me write it here. What is the speciality of this hybrid apps? Hybrid, as you know, the word hybrid means which is the combination of the remaining two. What are the remaining two? Native app and web app. So hybrid app, it's nothing but which is the combined form of native app and hybrid app. Okay, so actually it is a web app, but it is covered as a surrendered as a native app. Most of the features are like a native app only. Clear? So this is all about the three types of apps which we already discussed. Yes? Okay, so this is just a recollecting things. I'm recollecting what we studied in the previous class. So clear for everyone? So what are the three types of apps we studied? Yes, the first one, native apps, web apps, and hybrid apps. These are the three types of apps. Clear? Okay, these are the main three types of apps. Okay, we are using many apps, right? So they are classified under these three categories. Okay, so they are classified under these three categories. And apart from these three apps, there are so many apps in the smartphone. There are so many apps in the smartphone. We are going to discuss few of the apps now. Few of the apps now. Okay. In this series, the very first app it's called gaming app. Let me write it here. First one it's called gaming app. So it is familiar for you students, am I right? So because you're the one who is using this gaming app for all the time. Mainly I can say that it is for entertainment purpose, and apart from the entertainment, okay, if a particular game it's downloaded in a smartphone, if you're downloading, you are getting addicted to it actually. Okay, you're driving to the same game. Always you want to play the same game. Am I right? So which take your full intention to the game. So if you take in the smartphones, there are n number of apps. Out of this n number of apps, 24 percentage of the apps are considered as gaming apps. 24 percentage of the apps are gaming apps. They are in different form. Okay. Not only the students, even the youngsters, those who are working in offices, everyone are becoming addicted to the games. Example for some gaming apps, Candy Crush Saga, so many apps are there. So these are all the apps the students used to play. Okay, let me read out the names from the text itself. Okay. So the gaming apps, the examples of Clash of Clans, Candy Crush Saga, Angry Birds, Temple Run, Solitaire. These are the examples of gaming apps. Okay? So normally these apps are coming with a free of cost. Okay? So we are going to the app store and we are downloading the app and we are just spending most of our time in this gaming app. Okay? So that is the first type of app we study. Then second one, it's called business app. Second one, it's called business app. So these business apps, they are taking 10 percentage of the apps in the Play Store. They are taking 10 percentage of the plays in the App Store. So what is the purpose of this business apps? So if you take a business apps, definitely it's a purpose of business to make the profit. Am I right? So that's the reason they are creating these apps. Say for example, this business apps include like we are booking tickets. Maybe for cinema tickets, okay, for movies we are booking tickets, railway tickets, any type of tickets. Then online buying, that is also kind of business activity, right? That's also a business app. Using Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, you're buying things. So you're downloading a particular app. They are called business apps. And these business apps are in different forms. Okay. Even we are making the billings, okay, telephone bill, the house rent, whatever it is, we are making the bill payment, everything through the business apps. Okay. So let me read out the names of the business apps. Okay. And we are using it for buying, booking tickets, sending emails, tracking work in progress, and much more. They are called business apps, and examples of business apps are Facebook Pages Manager, Indeed Job Search, Boxer Walkie-Talkie Messenger, Adobe Acrobat Reader. These are the examples of business apps. Then educational apps. So educational apps, actually they doesn't look like an educational app, but you might have seen that the small kids, the parents will be just giving them games. Okay, actually they are not games. Using that particular app, they can study also. Okay, alphabets, numbers, animals names, everything. Okay, maybe a word, a picture will be given, identify the name. That's also a kind of a game, but also it's kind of a educational purposes. They are called educational apps, and there are apps which helps the teachers to prepare for the lessons also, and there are truly educational apps which gives the lessons and videos for the students. Okay, so they are called educational apps. So let me read the educational apps from your text, page number 108. Okay. Okay. Kids can learn while playing educational game apps. As I said, kids are playing educational game apps. Actually, it's a game, but the game also gives a knowledge for the kids. Even my daughter used to play games, but it gives a kind of knowledge for her. Okay, I'm not giving her any game just like that. Maybe it's a coloring. It's a game, but she has to choose the color, multiple colors, and how she is applying. So I can just see her thinking capability and what is her idea, everything. So in one or other way, which improves the kids' knowledge. So that is called as educational app, even though it's a gaming app, which also helps in knowledge based. So we call it as educational apps. Okay. So examples are Duolingo, learn languages for free; Photomap for camera calculator; Quizlet, flashcards and language app to study and learn; Udacity, brain training; TED, videos from expert speakers on various subjects. So these are the examples of educational apps. Okay, then the next one, it's called entertainment app. So entertainment in the purpose. So what is mean by entertainment? So time pass. So what we do for the time pass, we may watch some movies, download some songs, listen to the song, right? And Netflix is there, movies you can watch, Hotstar. So these are all entertainment purpose. So the apps which helps us to relax our time and take entertainment, which are called entertainment apps. Okay. So let me read the same from your text. We talk about streaming, chatting, searching events, watching videos online, posting photos on Instagram, and so on. These are all called entertainment. Okay. So applications for entertainment are often closely related to gaming due to the same goal, to agitate your mind. Especially all these apps are all agitating your mind. Okay. So you're always tempted to just to go through that apps. That is what given here. And some examples of this entertainment apps are Netflix, Dubmash, Talking Tom, Amazon Prime Video, NBC. These are all entertainment apps. Clear? That's good. Next one, it's called utility apps. So next one, it's called utility apps. So utility apps, it's not like other apps. They are used in a daily life, okay, by everyone. So maybe if you see educational apps, maybe gaming app, it's used by a particular students or some age group. But this utility app, which is widely used by everyone in a daily routine life, they are called utility apps. Okay. So what we do in a utility daily routine, we are using a Facebook, right? So daily we are using it. Parents or you also you may be using it. Okay. Then so some examples of utility apps are Bitmoji, Flashlight, QR Reader, Speed Test, My Version, and My AT&T. These are the examples of utility apps. Got it? Well, next. So these are the some more types of apps we studied now. Okay. So what are the apps we studied? Gaming app, business app, educational apps, entertainment apps, and utility apps. These are the some more types of apps we studied. Now, can you tell me how to download a particular app? Where to go? It's an easy question for you. Of course, you have to go to Play Store. And you can see the top right corner, you can see the search magnifying glass, you can see. Just click there. Okay, search. You can just type what type of app you need and then press enter key. That which will list out all the apps what you are looking for. The related apps it will show. Then if you want a particular app, click and then select the app and click on accept button. And below you can see what is this app and how does it is helpful, and all its features will be listed down and the rating also you can see. and click on accept button to download the app. So this is the way we download any app in any smartphone. Clear? So that's all for today's class, students. Okay, so today it's your new year, right? You want to enjoy your day also. So I'm winding up my session. So let me wind up the session with the conclusion. What we studied? We studied about the types of apps, three types of apps: native app, web app, and hybrid apps. And some more types of apps we discussed, like a gaming app, business app, entertainment app, educational app, and utility app. And last, we studied about how to download any app from the Play Store. That's what we studied. Is it clear? That's good. Please read the same from your textbook also. Got it? Well, students, enjoy your day. It's New Year. Have a great day. Thank you.